Hello guys, my name is Clint Gungob.
And my name is Kyle Tabanyag.
So what is logarithm? So the logarithm of a number is a power or index to which a given base must be raised to obtain the number. So dito sa exponential is ang formula niya is a to the power of n equals b. So ang a is a base and ang n is exponent. So ang b is a value. So dito naman sa logarithm, ang formula niya is log a b equals n. So, ang a dito is base. So, ang b is a value. So, ang n is exponent. So, for example, log base 2 of 16 equals x. So, anong power para makuha natin yung 16? So, ilang 2 ba ang kailangan natin? So, dito, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16. So, nakuha natin yung 16. So, 2 to the power of 4 is equals 16. So, ang answer natin dyan is 4. So, next example. So, log base 5 of 125 is equal x. So, 5, ano naman ang power para makuha natin yung 125? Ilan bang 5 ang hanapin natin? So, dito, 5 times 5 times 5 equals 25. So, nakuha natin yung 125. So, 5 to the power of 3 equals 25. So, ang answer natin dyan is 3. Ang next example natin is using logarithmic property. So, log base 4 of 16 plus log base 4 of 64. So, we can use the logarithm property log base a of mn equals log base a of m plus log base a of n to solve this problem. Ang log base 4 of 16 plus log base of 4 of 16. So, ang log base of 4 of 16 is equals 2 kasi 4 to the power of 2 is 16. So, dito naman sa log base of 4 of 64 is equals 3. So, kasi ang 4 cube is 64. So, therefore, log base 4 of 16 plus log base 4 of 64 is equals 2 plus 3 equals 5. Ang answer sa log base 4 of 16 plus log base 4 of 64 is 5. Next, solving of laws of logarithm.
Laws of logarithm. 1. Product of rules. Ito po ang kanyang formula para makita po ang kanyang hinahanap. Log m times n to the base a equals to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Example, log 8 times 16 to the base 2 equals to log 8 to the base 2 plus log 16 to the base 2. Since 8 equals to 2 cube and 16 equals to the 2 to the power of 4, this become 3 plus 4 since they have the same base. So this will become equal to 7. Quotient rule. Ito po ang formula para makuha ang kaniyang solution. Log m over n to the base a equals log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. For example, log 27 over 9 to the base a equals log 27 to the base 3 minus log 9 to the base 3 since 27 equals to 3 cube and 9 equals to 3 squared. This will become 3 minus 2 equals 1. So that's how you gonna do it. Number 3, power rule. Ito po ang kanyang formula para mahanap mo ang solusyon. Log m to the power of n to the base a equals n times log m to the base a. For example, log 64 to the power of 2 to the base 4 equals 2 times log 64 to the base 4. Since 64 equals 4 cube, this become 2 times 3 equals 6. So that's how you're gonna solve it. Number 4, change of base rule. Ito po ang kanyang formula para makuha mo ang kanyang solusyon. Log m to the base a equals log m to the base x. Divide by log a to the base x. For example, log 5 to the base 2 equals log 5 to the base 10. Divide by log 2 to the base 10. So you can use a calculator to find a approximately value for log 5 to the base 10 and log 2 to the base 10. That's how you're gonna get it. 5. Logarithm of 1. Ito po ang kanyang formula para makuha mo ang kanyang solusyon. Log 1 to the base a equals 0. For example, log 1 to the base 5 equals 0. So, any positive base raised to the power of 0 equal to 1.
So next, number 6, logarithm of the base. So ito po ang formula para magkuha ang kanyang solusyon. So log a base to a equals 1. For example, log 7 to the base of 7 equals 1. Any base raised to the power of 1 is equals to itself. That's all. Thank you.